Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. Here on the ETH chart, I am currently tracking still a corrective pullback. I mean, it might be over, but I need to still see further upside momentum from here. We're currently holding above this micro support zone, which I shared with you in the previous updates. What we are tracking here from the 21st of July high is a three-wave move down that might be completed. So in the white scenario, which is currently the preferred one, the wave 4 bottomed. There is still room in the support zone. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's not a full confirmation yet that we've bottomed, but the extent of the move up and the tendencies I see in the market, again, it's very fragile, so this can change at an instant, yeah, if support levels break. But the tendencies show at least that we could be cautiously that we can look for further upside, at least very cautiously. Why? Because the move to the downside can be seen as technically complete. I mean, I do see a three-wave move to the downside. Talked about that. That three-wave move down might have indeed ended here on the weekend, where the red line is located at around $3,360. The wave 4 unfolded most likely as a WXY structure, a complex corrective pattern. That is what wave 4s sometimes do, turn into complex corrections, and we have seen a nice rally from that low. The rally, however, the microstructure in that rally is a little bit unclear. It's not clearly a 5-wave move to me. Some charts provide clearer 5-wave patterns, like, for example, the H-bar chart has given us a 5-wave move up. Solana maybe, Sui, but they are all, just like Ethereum, testing their relevant support levels right now. So we have an initial rally into the swing high that formed on Tuesday there, just around $3,740. And then a nice and clear three-wave pullback into support. So nice and good, yeah. And we even have a first reaction to that communicated support zone. But this is not really convincing yet, right? As you will probably agree, this is so far only a three-wave move up, and I can therefore not rule out a broader wave 2. So I mean, if we can't hold this swing low from Tuesday, then we can still watch for a deeper wave 2. I'm just saying because this move up is not convincing yet, just super weak. But that can change. I mean, for now, the potential is there that this was a low of wave 2, in the 5th wave to the upside, and that from here we could start a 3rd wave that could take us closer to our next upside target at $4,100. However, resistance is of course strong. Resistance is of course strong in this region, as we have talked about in the last few updates again and again. What we need to see really for further confirmation here is now a break above the last swing high that formed around $3,695, and then above the wave 1 high, $3,740. That's the Monday high. Yeah, actually the Monday high, not the Tuesday high. So with a three-wave move up, I mean, I cannot rule out a broader wave 2. I mean, how would that look like? It would most likely just be a wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4. So it wouldn't really lead to a different result. I'm just saying we need to be ready maybe for a deeper wave 2, which could unfold just very simply as a larger A, B, C structure. And I'm just saying that because there is still plenty of room in this support zone. There is still a chance, even if that happens, that we're holding Fibonacci support at $3,430. But please note that below $3,430, the idea, the thesis that on the Saturday, a low formed, that thesis will likely be invalidated. The invalidation point is, of course, the Saturday low, but then the focus will shift back to the larger support zone. And I would have to assume that the broader correction that presumably finished on Saturday actually never finished. It never completed. We are basically still in that wave 4. That is what I would then have to assume. So yeah, that's how I see currently the Ethereum chart. Still tracking a corrective pullback, but unfortunately, the bounce, the reaction to that Saturday low is only in 3 waves, leaving everything really, really fragile so far. In addition to that, we could also add a trend line here. It might be worth watching. Not sure how relevant that is, but there's a bit of a trend line here we can observe. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. I think another dip into support is at least highly likely. I'll keep you updated about that. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you are interested in additional updates, make sure to check out our X profile. We are running an X channel as well, building a community here as well. Feel free to follow us here. I'll leave a link in the description and in the comment section. Here you get additional updates. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.